Hello students and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own meeting on Zoom. And you can do this to chat with your friends or teachers. So all you're going to do is go up to the search bar or the address bar, excuse me, and you're going to type zoom.us. Okay, and now you go over here, sign in. You should have an account already. Okay, so here is my account. I'm just going to click sign in. Okay, so here's all the meetings that I have created right here. If I want to create a new meeting, I just click schedule a meeting. You can write your own topic, the title of your meeting. So it could be something like hang out with Con, probably spelled your name wrong, Con Lee. Then you choose the date. So for example, I want to do it today, maybe at 10:30. Then you choose how long you want it to last. Make sure here that you have the correct time zone. And then there's other options that you can choose. Depends on what you're going to do. Okay. It's a good idea to enable the waiting room in case your friend logs on before you do. So then you click save. Okay, so now this meeting is created. You have a meeting ID. In order for your friend or whoever you are going to have the meeting with, in order for them to know how to join the meeting or how to find it, you're going to copy the invitation. You can also highlight this if you want to, and then copy it. It's easier to just click copy the invitation. And then here, you can click copy meeting invitation, or sometimes it's confusing to have all of this on there. Sometimes I will just copy this, and that is it. So I'm going to just copy that. I push Control C on my computer. Now I'm going to go to my email account. To get to my email, I'm going to go to google.com. I'm already logged into this computer, so I just click Gmail. And you're basically, all you're going to do is send this link to your friend, to whoever this meeting is going to be with. And this is taking forever. Okay, so then you type your friend's name or their email address. I'll do Con Lee because she's the one who wanted the video. And then your subject, Zoom meeting. And then you're just going to click here, and then you're going to hit Control and V. And then that's all you do. And then you're going to, oops. And then you're just going to send the email. It's so easy. If I can move this, there we go. Okay, so then you just click send, and that is it. And then when it is time for you to start the meeting, you just click that, start this meeting. and it will take you right into your meeting. So that is it. It is very simple.